1. What is literature? Answer. Literature refers to written works, especially those considered to have artistic or intellectual value, such as novels, poems, and plays. 2. Who is considered the father of English literature? Answer. Geoffrey Chaucer is often referred to as the father of English literature. 3. Define the term genre in literature. Answer. Genre categorizes literary works based on shared characteristics, styles, or themes. Examples include fiction, poetry, and drama. 4. What is the significance of the Renaissance in literature? Answer. The Renaissance marked a revival of interest in classical learning and greatly influenced literature by fostering creativity and exploration of human experiences. 5. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Answer. William Shakespeare is the author of Romeo and Juliet. 6. What is the theme of George Orwell's 1984? Answer. 1984 explores themes of totalitarianism, censorship, and the impact of government control on individual freedom. 7. Define allegory in literature. Answer. An allegory is a narrative where characters, events, or elements symbolize abstract ideas, often with a moral or political message. 8. Who wrote the epic poem, Paradise Lost? Answer. John Milton wrote Paradise Lost. 9. What is the stream of consciousness literary technique? Answer. Stream of consciousness is a narrative style that presents a character's thoughts and feelings in a continuous flow, often without conventional punctuation. 10. What is the difference between a protagonist and an antagonist? Answer. The protagonist is the main character, while the antagonist is the character or force opposing the protagonist. 11. Who is the author of To Kill a Mockingbird? Answer. Harper Lee is the author of To Kill a Mockingbird. 12. Define foreshadowing in literature. Answer. Foreshadowing is a literary device where the author hints at future events in the narrative. 13. What is the central theme of F. Scott Fitzgerald's The Great Gatsby? Answer. The Great Gatsby explores themes of the American dream, wealth, and the illusion of social success. 14. Who wrote Pride and Prejudice? Answer. Jane Austen is the author of Pride and Prejudice. 15. Define the term irony in literature. Answer. Irony involves a contrast between expectation and reality, often used to highlight humor, drama, or social commentary. 16. What is magical realism in literature? Answer. Magical realism blends magical elements with realistic settings, creating a narrative where the supernatural coexists with the ordinary. 17. Who wrote 100 Years of Solitude? Answer. Gabriel Garcia Marquez wrote 100 Years of Solitude. 18. Define the term symbolism in literature. Answer. Symbolism uses symbols to represent ideas or qualities beyond the literal meaning, adding depth to a literary work. 19. What is the significance of the Romantic era in literature? Answer. The Romantic era emphasized emotion, imagination, and nature, influencing literature with a focus on individual expression and beauty. 20. Who is the author of The Catcher in the Rye? Answer. J.D. Salinger wrote The Catcher in the Rye. 21. Define motif in literature. Answer. A motif is a recurring theme, idea, or symbol in a literary work that contributes to its overall meaning. 22. What is the tragic flaw in literary terms? Answer. A tragic flaw is a character trait that leads to the downfall of a protagonist in a tragedy. 23. Who wrote the play Hamlet? Answer. William Shakespeare wrote the play Hamlet. 24. Define allegorical interpretation in literature. Answer. Allegorical interpretation involves analyzing a work to uncover hidden meanings and symbolic representations. 25. What is the significance of the Harlem Renaissance in literature? Answer. The Harlem Renaissance was a cultural and artistic movement that celebrated African American achievements and contributions in literature, music, and the arts. 26. Who wrote Frankenstein? Answer. Mary Shelley is the author of Frankenstein. 27. Define protagonist and antagonist in a play. Answer. The protagonist is the main character, while the antagonist is the character or force opposing the protagonist in a play. 28. What is a sonnet in poetry? Answer. A sonnet is a 14-line poetic form, often with a specific rhyme scheme, used to express emotions or ideas. 29. Who wrote the Odyssey? Answer. Homer is traditionally credited with writing the Odyssey. 30. Define the term epiphany in literature. Answer. An epiphany is a moment of sudden revelation or realization that often leads to personal growth or understanding in a character. 31. What is the significance of the Beat generation in literature? Answer. The Beat generation rebelled against societal norms, emphasizing personal freedom and spontaneity in literature. 32. Who wrote Brave New World? Answer. Aldous Huxley is the author of Brave New World. 33. Define satire in literature. Answer. Satire uses humor, irony, or ridicule to criticize or mock individuals, society, or politics. 34. What is the hero's journey in literature? Answer. The hero's journey is a narrative structure involving a hero who embarks on an adventure, faces challenges, and undergoes personal growth. 35. Who wrote the Canterbury Tales? Answer. Geoffrey Chaucer wrote the Canterbury Tales. 36. Define the term metaphor in poetry. Answer. A metaphor is a figure of speech that compares two unrelated things, suggesting a similarity without using like or as. 37. What is the purpose of the chorus in ancient Greek drama? Answer. The chorus in ancient Greek drama serves as a collective voice, providing commentary, reflection, and interacting with the audience. 38. Who wrote Wuthering Heights? Answer. Emily Bronte is the author of Wuthering Heights. 39. Define the term blank verse in poetry. Answer. Blank verse is unrhymed verse written in iambic pentameter, commonly used in dramatic and narrative poetry. 40. What is the significance of the Enlightenment in literature? Answer. The Enlightenment emphasized reason, science, and individual rights, influencing literature. If you like the video, subscribe our channel and appreciate us. For new videos, press bell and get notifications. Like, share and comment below for your suggestions and feedback. Thanks for watching.